Moppets Guild, a STEAM learning lab. Let's use salt and colored sand to make a simple avalanche. The materials we need for this are two square shaped acrylic sheets of size 6 inch by 6 inch, a small plastic Ziploc bag, paper, glue, scissors, measuring cup, tape, colored sand, preferably a dark color, and salt. First, cut the paper into 3 squares, each of size 6 inch by 6 inch. Roll the paper into straws. Secure the straws . Secure the straws on 3 sides of one acrylic sheet. Now place the acrylic sheet on top of the other acrylic sheet and secure them on 3 sides with tape. Our acrylic case is now ready. Take equal quantities of colored sand and salt. I have taken 1/4 cup of each. Mix both together . Mix them well. Pour this into a Ziploc bag . Tilt the cover so that the mixture is in one corner. On the opposite corner, cut a small hole. Make sure that the mixture does not leak out through this hole. Now place the acrylic case on a newspaper with the open side facing up. Insert the cut end of the Ziploc cover into the acrylic case and pour the mixture into the case. Don't shake the acrylic case or tilt the case. We can see that as the grains fall into the case, the two materials sort themselves into alternating layers of salt and sand. This activity is an example of Brazil nut effect, angles of repose, and granular convection. Angles of repose is the angle at which a material can no longer support itself. Though the materials were well combined in the beginning, the two types of particles will always sort themselves in this manner as they have different angles of repose. As the materials are poured on at some angle, one of the materials will collapse into itself. In this activity, the smaller sand particles slip beneath the larger salt particles to create a layer of salt on top of each layer of sand due to angular convection. Have fun. See you soon on the next session of Mary Moppets Guild.